Right, welcome just to a quick update on Leicester. That's what I'm calling the car, because obviously how much Leicester is. So she's got a new nickname. I purchased something for the car. I got it really cheap. It's I'm not going to say what it is, I'm going to just open it. It's coming up to Christmas, I got it so cheap. It's got surface rust all over it, because obviously, don't forget how old the vehicle panel is. Packed it well with duct tape. Can you guess what it is yet? Got some clean up to do with this polystyrene everywhere. As you can see, obviously it's a wing, a genuine wing. Obviously the surface rust all over it, so it's going to have to be sandblasted. As you can see from all the markings, dent in there. Yeah, there is a dent. There's a dent in it. It's got the cutout. It's got the hole in the bottom on the back. It's got, oh, it's actually been fixed onto a car at some point, look. It's got a couple of blobs as well, but never mind. It's got genuine. Yeah, it's got all the spots, and just to prove it, it's also got the reinforcement underneath the front of the wing. So yeah, this is a new panel that I actually bought for Leicester. I'm happy I've got it. Shame it's about the damage that's in it, but stay tuned for more videos coming up.